Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. The Binance Coin. Ever wondered when to buy and sell? Well, today we'll give you key levels for this opportunity. We'll look at how I got to the conclusion. We'll see what the Binance Coin is all about. And we'll look at these different levels. It's my own calculation. Use the stock to flow as an indication. We all know the stock to flow gives great predictions on what Bitcoin might do. And in the past, we've seen multiple times that when Bitcoin rises, coins follow. When Bitcoin falls, the coins drop. So I've used my own formula to calculate what these coins might be doing according to the stock to flow and Bitcoin. The Binance Coin is a utility token for the Binance exchange where you can buy, trade and hold 600 plus cryptocurrencies on Binance. The market trend, you can trade all the major coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Terra Luna, Cardano, and just a few named. Build your own crypto portfolio. Start your first trade with these easy steps. Fund your account. Add funds to your crypto account to start trading crypto. You can add funds with a variety of payment methods. Verify your identity. Complete the identity verification process to secure your account and transactions, or better known as KYC, Know Your Client. To doing the verification gives you a lot of more opportunities and different things you'll be able to do on Binance. Start trading. You're good to go. Buy, sell crypto. Set up recurring buys for your investments and discover what Binance has to offer. Explore endless possibilities with Binance. Dive into the world of the NFTs. Open rare mystery boxes. Explore IGOs, fan tokens, and more with Binance NFTs. Grow your business with Binance Pay. Reach more customers as you pay and get paid into crypto with our borderless payment technology on Binance Pay, a Binance marketplace. Binance Earn. Now this option I've been using for years already. It's even better than the banks. You can put your crypto in, get interest on it, and you can even compound it. But the main benefit is your earn crypto is available at any time. Trade on the go, anywhere, anytime. Stay in the know with our app and desktop client. It's available on the App Store, Android, Google Play, Mac OS, Windows, Linux, and API. Your trusted crypto exchange. Here at Binance, we are committed to user protection with strict protocols and industry-leading technical measures. Now, this is a unique function which I've never seen on any other exchange. Secure asset fund for user. Binance stores 10% of all trading fees in a secure asset fund to protect a share of users' funds. Now, I've read this fund is over $1 million in value already. So Binance is putting a step ahead to make sure they can cover any losses if you have a decent or a provable claim. Personalized access control. Advanced access control allows you to restrict devices and addresses that can access your account for greater ease of mind. Advanced data encryption. Your transaction data is secure via end-to-end encryption, ensuring that only you have access to your personal information. Binance is unique, and it's a lot of different opportunities. But before we get into the price levels, have a look at Bitscap, all-in-one trading automation platform for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Best crypto trading bots, smart algorithmic orders, portfolio and demo trading. Everything you need to easily manage your assets within one interface. And the benefit of Bitscap is the fact that it's using API keys. You're not putting any funds on Bitscap. All your funds stays on your own exchange. crypto trading bot for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, set automated trading bots on Binance and over 25 other cryptocurrency exchanges. And yes, you can trade the Binance token through Bitsgap as well. Looking at CoinGecko, BNB or the Binance token is standing in the 4th position with a 24-hour volume of $1.3 billion, with a market cap just short of the $70 billion mark. The current price of Binance at the recording is $413.24. Circulating supply 168 million. Total supply 168 million. And I know the Binance has also been burned, making it semi-deflationary in my opinion. If we're looking at the all-time graph of Binance, we can see it started low with what's the lowest on CoinGecko? Around $6 when it started. And it's currently trading at $413. So what can be the value where this coin might end up? So let's see what the calculations bring us. Looking at the calculations, we can see quite a few levels. 7 buy levels and 7 sell levels. And these are key levels I'll be looking at. If we're looking at the buy opportunities, we got $375. We got $356. We got $311. We got $261. $228. $199. And $141. These are key buy levels. I put the blue line in because this is the date when I calculated it. If we look at the sell opportunity, the highest sell is $2,070. That's a 5x from the current price. Second highest level we have at is $1,709. $1,178. $1,045. $804. $630. And $518. Now calculating this off the current price, we can see some of these levels has been hit before, but not all of them. It's giving us the opportunity for possible great returns. Will it ever happen? With crypto, we never know. But these are levels I'll be using as an indication to trade in between. Leave me your thoughts and concerns down below and let me know what are the levels you're looking at. Have a great one.